Merry Christmas to me. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Andrew. I'm going to do an unboxing of my latest tool purchase. As you can see, it is a Festool. More specifically, this is the Festool OF1400 router, and to be even more specific, it is the OF1400 EQ-F-Plus. So I'm going to do an unboxing and show you what all comes with this set. And let's jump right into it. I always enjoy these Festool unboxings just because I think they do a very good job at packaging and making sure everything kind of has a place. But I'm gonna go ahead. I'll bring the camera in here and let's show you what it all comes with. Okay, so if you go ahead and open this up. So here is my receipt. So I bought mine from, I have a Rockler store near me. You have your full plug-it cord. This doesn't really have a nice spot from what I could tell. It just kind of lays in the top here. You get your multiple different pieces of information here. So I think this is instructions. This is all about the warranty. I actually just have the Festool app and it makes it super simple. It comes with a QR code on the front of the sustainer here. If you're new, sustainer is what this box is called. And you can just scan that QR code with the app and it will essentially do everything automatically for you. So of course we have the router itself. Very, very nice, feels very high quality. We will go over that here in a minute. You have, it's kind of like a dust shroud or a chip catcher. So this mounts to the bottom of the router and it will allow you to have a better chance at dust extraction because this goes up against, if you're doing like an edge piece, this is really the only time that will work. And it will keep more of the, it will direct more of your dust and wood chips flying into what this is your, this is the actual dust extraction. This is a dust extraction vacuum hose. So this will connect to the router. I will show you that here in a second, how all this works together. This is your, so this is a template. So it holds your template bushings and your collets here. Sorry, not collet, guide rings. Sorry, that's what I was looking for. So you're able to screw those in and this connects to the bottom. I'll show you that as well. And then you have your multiple other collets in here. So this comes with a 1/4 inch, a 1/2 inch, and an 8 millimeter. So this is 1/4 inch. I believe the 1/2 inch is in the machine right now. Yeah, so here's the 8 millimeter, and then the 1/2 inch is what is inside right in the actual machine right now. You have your, they call it a spanner, so I believe that is a 24 millimeter spanner, so that's what allows you to take your bits in and out and remove the collets to replace it. And then these two bars, I'll show you how these work. So let me go ahead and we'll pull these out and let's go ahead and show you some more specifics of the tool. So first off, I'll show you, so this is essentially an adapter for all your guide rings. So take for instance, the Porter cable dovetail jig. It has your different rings that are needed. It will come from the bottom, then screw from the top. This allows you to use the dovetail and this gives you the guidance necessary. So you can just take this, plug that in, and then there are these two green buttons. All I'm gonna do is push those together and this thing will pop right out. Now, of course, you'll have gravity normally, so it goes in easier than that. And then this is one of your chip collectors. So again, goes in like that. So this will allow you to run the router along a piece of wood like this, and this will catch more of your sawdust and wood chips, and it will actually direct it into the next piece I'm going to show you, which this is your actual dust extractor hookup. Let's see if I can get you in here. So there are these two little tabs right here on either side of the opening, and it will slide in there just like that. And then this little green lever flips down, and then you now have your dust extraction, and this little window will open and close. One thing I've learned, and after doing a lot of research, is everything that's green on here moves and has a purpose. So this is the lock to either loosen, to remove router bits or collets. This is your micro adjust. This is your variable knob for the speed. On button is your little trigger here. And then this does have a constant on by pushing that button as well. So let me go ahead. We will remove this piece like that. And then these two rods here. So these actually, I think they go this way. You can slide them in, undo that knob, slide them in like this. And this is how, so of course, like many other routers that are out there, this has edge guides you can buy. You can buy the little sleds that will ride on the rail for a track saw, and this is what is going to allow those to connect. Those are probably the two most popular accessories I've seen folks talk about, so those will most likely be getting purchased here in the near future. But yeah, very cool, very well done, very well packaged system, very well packaged tool. And I'm very excited to get to use this. I just bought this a couple days ago. Haven't really had a chance to use it yet, but very much looking forward to bringing you more videos where I do get to use this. All right, y'all. Well, thank you for watching. Maybe in another video, we can get some plywood out, some different boards, and start having some fun with this and go over how to actually use this tool. I need to spend a little bit of time myself to get a little bit more versed in it. But from every video and everything I've read, this is a very easy tool to kind of pick up and get the hang of. So I'm looking forward to diving into that. If you guys have any questions, please put those down in the comments below. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I always enjoy unboxing videos, so I was trying to bring something different to you. We'll see you guys in the next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have fun woodworking out there. Hey, you made it to the end. Thanks for that. Please check out our other options for videos, and please don't forget to like and subscribe down below.